Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to register a business hosting plan with HosterPK so you can launch your professional website with ease. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to HosterPK.com. At the top right corner, click on Client Area. Enter your email and password to login. If you're a new customer and don't have an account yet, don't worry, you'll be able to create one later during checkout. Once logged in, hover over the hosting section in the menu and click on Business Hosting. This plan is perfect for growing websites, small businesses, and e-commerce stores. Now, you'll see different business hosting packages. Compare the features like storage, number of websites, and other features. Once you've decided which one suits you best, simply click on Order Now. In this step, you can register a new domain for your business or use an existing domain if you already own one. If you're registering a new domain, just type in your desired name, check availability, and add it to your cart. Next, review your hosting package details. Here, you can choose your billing cycle monthly, yearly, or more. The longer the billing cycle, the bigger the discount. Also, if you select annual, biannual, or triannual plans, you'll get a free domain included. That's a great way to save extra. After checking everything, simply click on Continue. In the Domain Configuration section, you can review your selected domain. On the checkout page, you'll see the total amount along with any discounts applied. If you have a promo code, you can also enter it here for extra savings. If you didn't log in earlier, this is where you'll create your HosterPK client account by entering your details like name, email, and password. Finally, select your payment method like credit card, bank transfer, or EasyPay, Jazz Cash, then click on Complete Order. Once your payment is confirmed, your business hosting account will be activated instantly. And that's it. You've successfully registered a business hosting plan with HosterPK. Now you're ready to install WordPress or upload your website files and take your business online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.